Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving.
We are a small charity. We get donations of bikes which are no longer wanted by the people who used to ride them, and we fix them up and then we donate them to asylum seekers and refugees. We view ourselves as a community hub, so as you can see we've got lots of people here, and they're all a great big mix of refugees and asylum seekers, as well as people who want to come and learn more bike skills, and people who want to help with the refugee crisis. It makes a big difference to refugees to have bikes, because if you come from a background, especially a background of trauma, then it helps you connect with your body more and can help you maybe heal a little bit.
You're gaining experience.
It means helping other people.
Keep you mentally and physically fit. Bike.
It's amazing. People who ride bikes talk to each other.
It's ownership. It's something that you can own. It's yours.
It is good to help others and give something back. Exchanging. You know what I mean?